Hello again.
Good morning.
Hello. You're welcome. All right, driver.
Yeah, see you.
You passed your test?
Not yet.
Not yet. Is this a practice run, is it?
Yeah, got the plates on. Are you all belted up?
Oh yeah,
Yes?
yeah, I've checked them all.
Good, thank you. Hello. Welcome to Bessie Surtees' house. I'm an English heritage volunteer and my name's Jeff. Now they've asked me to give you a short introductory talk. It's only going to last about 10 minutes, so it's hopefully none of you will pass out with boredom. First recorded history of a house like this on this site is in 1465 when the house was sold. Scroll forward in history, 1754, and this was let out to a guy called Surtees. He had kids. One of them was a girl called Elizabeth or Bessie. Bessie Surtees is 16. Her father's looking to get her married off, and he says, I want you to marry Sir Walter Blackett, as he wanted his daughter to marry into a family with a title and plenty of cash. She didn't want to marry him. She wanted to marry a guy called John Scott. Surtees died in 1800. Never saw his daughter Bessie achieve the wealth and happiness he was hoping for her. But the following year, John Scott, who had become a successful lawyer in London, then an MP, he was appointed the Lord Chancellor of England.
It's interesting, isn't it, Mark?
It is, yes, it is, absolutely.